Ditch conventional lags. For ultimate speed and strength, choose SPAX. SPAX 5/16 power lag fasteners with HCR coating are the ideal approved replacement for the conventional half-inch lag screw, tested and approved for deck ledger attachment. For the strongest connection, PowerLags utilize true imperial thread sizing for unmatched withdrawal values, and their large diameter head profile delivers the highest head pull-through values in the industry. Our patented thread serration technology eliminates pre-drilling in wood. Plus, SPAX PowerLags allow contractors 70% wider spacing across the ledger board, potentially reducing the fasteners needed by more than half compared to other structural screws on the market. DRJ Technical Evaluation Report 1711-01 is included in all SPAX contractor packaging and provides a detailed summary of the application. Once installed, the length is clearly marked on the head, so inspectors can confidently sign off on your project. Choose SPAX to amplify your craft.